Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Wireless-n repeater and connecting to its default SSID or plugging an Ethernet cable into its LAN port. Once connected, open a browser and enter the repeater's admin IP or 192.168.0.1 address shown on the label. Make sure you have the router SSID and password ready, and if needed, the router's admin credentials. You're now in the repeater UI. Navigate to the Quick Setup or WPS/repeater mode. To start copying, you will choose repeater or range extender mode and let the device scan for nearby networks. Once you see your router SSID, select it and type the exact wireless password. This is how the repeater authenticates and bridges traffic. Next, set the repeater channel to match the router or leave it on auto for Wireless-n. Make sure SSID naming is deliberate. Either clone the router SSID or create a distinct SSID. Finally, apply settings and allow the repeater to reboot so it can join the main network. You should now place the repeater midway between router and dead zone, keeping strong signal from the router. Test with a phone or laptop, checking signal bars and performing a quick speed test to confirm improvement. If the repeater won't connect, power cycle it first. If needed, perform a factory reset and repeat setup, or try WPS pairing for one-button linking. Finally, update firmware if instability continues, and make sure the repeater isn't on the same IP range conflict with the router to avoid double NAT issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.